Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming both the smart TV and your phone or laptop share the same Wi-Fi. This allows discovery and reduces latency. Once done, enable the TV's network and device discovery in settings so the TV accepts incoming mirrors. Now open your device's casting or screen mirror control center, quick settings, or the Chromecast/AirPlay menu and look for the TV name. This starts the handshake. It's the first actionable step toward a live mirror. Next, pick the correct protocol because compatibility matters. Use AirPlay for Apple devices, Miracast for many Windows/Android combinations, or Chromecast for Google environments. Then select the TV's name from your device list. You may need to accept a pairing, prompt on screen, or type a 4-digit PIN the TV shows. Make sure the TV's input is set to the built-in receiver or app so the stream lands in the right place. This reduces handshakes and prevents. To finish, verify audio and video sync and tweak the device resolution or TV picture mode if motion looks off. When you're done, stop casting from your device or press home on the TV to end the session cleanly. If mirroring fails, try a simple restart of the TV, your device, or the router. This often clears discovery issues. Also, make sure firewall settings aren't blocking local casting, and install any TV firmware updates to maintain protocol compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.